Hey everyone, I'm at the abandoned JCPenney in the Lakeforest Mall in Gaithersburg, Maryland. So this shut down I think in 2019, and yeah, it's been closed ever since. The Lakeforest Mall here, it's extremely dead. Yeah, they're closing it down next month. The whole mall is gonna be set to be demolished. Yeah, that's how it looks through here. That's how it looks through here. It's like pretty much empty. So it looks through here. I just recorded the final days of the Lakeforest Mall. So I'm gonna take a look through this side as well. Wait, it is? Let me check if it is. No, it's locked.
No, not that door. I meant the spring forward.
Should I open it? No, it's locked. Yeah. I'm gonna take another look through here. Hey, are you coming? Okay. No, this is completely covered up. This is completely empty. I did film Lakeforest Mall. Yeah, so the whole mall is gonna be closed. The extremely dead mall. It's gonna be demolished by I think 2024. I think. This is where the loading docks would have been. Oh yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna go check the loading dock. Yeah, the bell rang. I rang the bell and it rang. Yeah. I just rang the bell and it went ding. I'm gonna go on the other side to see now. What? Okay, so yeah. Doesn't look like there is. Nah, I don't see anybody. Okay. Yeah, so this JCPenney has also been closed since 2019. Still standing here, abandoned. And this is gonna be demolished by next year. Oh yeah, should we? Alright, there's a... Oh well.
We should probably go back inside.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, after I finish the video. Take one more look inside.
Jeremy's gonna say hi.
Oh, hey Jeremy, I'm with Wesley right now. Hey Jeremy, I'm with Wesley right now. It's me, Nick, your buddy. I'm gonna check the door. Oh yeah, it still says, I could see like a scar, like you could see like the letter that where it said JCPenney, yeah. Yeah. Oh, look what I just found. No. You could have it because I already you can take it home with you if you want. I don't need it. It still says Sephora at JCPenney. Is there any good? Oh yeah, you can see a little bit through here. So I'm at the abandoned JCPenney in the Lakeforest Mall in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put the post notifications on. Bye.